Today, we'll be looking at the lab export of BigQuery ML model for online prediction. Once your lab is ready, let's go ahead and open the GCP console. This will take about 20 seconds to load. Make sure you open it in a new incognito window. You are asked for any terms and service agreements. Click Agree and Continue. Now, once the Google Cloud interface is loaded, let's go ahead and open the Google Cloud shell. This will take about 30 seconds for it to get provisioned. Now it will ask you to authorize. Let's go ahead and authorize. This will take around 15 seconds and your Cloud Shell terminal should be ready. So as you can see, now that the Cloud Shell terminal has been provisioned, now let's go back to our lab. Let's scroll down and let's go to the first challenge scenario. So first we are asked to create a BigQuery dataset and load the data. Now let's go back to our Cloud terminal. We will be pasting commands here. So all the commands and code have been uploaded to GitHub, and you can find the GitHub link in the description. Whole of this labs can be completed with commands itself. Make sure to replace any links or variables from the code to ones that are from your own lab. Now let's go ahead and paste the first command from the code base. Next, we'll paste the second command. These should have created the BigQuery dataset and have loaded the data for you. Let's go back and check progress here so you can see that it's completed. Next, we'll go to step 2. Now we have to create and export the BigQuery ML model, as you can see. So let's go back and take the third command from the GitHub repo and paste it. Click Enter. This command should take some time to run. So as you can see, it's already started running, so you can keep it on your side. And once it's done, we can go ahead. I'll be speeding up this tutorial until it's done for you to see how it looks once it's done. Now our model has been deployed, so let's go back to the lab and check progress. Now you see that assessment is completed.
Now we have to export the model into the storage. So let's go ahead and paste the next command. It's running now. Let's wait for it to complete. Now once it shows completed, we'll go back and check progress. Shows this task is also completed. For the next task, we have to deploy the model endpoint. So let's paste the next command to create endpoint. So let's wait for the endpoint to get created. Now, once the endpoint is created, let's go ahead and save the endpoint into a variable. So I will take the endpoint from above and copy paste it down below to save it as a variable. Now, I'll also go ahead and save the model ID into a variable. Again, you can find this code in the GitHub repository. Now, once we have the variables, let's go ahead and paste the next command, which is to create the Vertex model. So as you can see, this can take up to 15 minutes for the model to get deployed. Usually it's going to take more than that. It's going to take around 30 minutes. So you can take a break and come back once it's done. So I'll be fast forwarding this tutorial until it's done for you to see how it looks once it's done.
Now our model has been deployed, so let's go back to the lab and check progress. Now you see that assessment is completed. Let's go and do that in the sidebar as well. So now it shows 70. It's not yet reflected on the sidebar. Let's go ahead and check for progress on the sidebar as well. Now this should also show that the assessment is completed. So congratulations, you have completed this lab. We can go ahead and end it. So congratulations, you have completed this lab. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.